Hi everyone. Creating a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel is very easy and super helpful. Okay, let's see how we can create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Well friends, here I have got some dummy data. Here you can see I have two questions. What is your favorite food? If I click over on this cell, and here goes the option to select data from the drop-down list. Suppose hamburger. Okay, and are you a vegetarian? I'm just going to click over here, and here you can see short answer, yes or no. Okay, on the right here you can see some name of some specific people, and here goes their state name. If I click over here, I can change the state from the drop down list. Okay, let's see how we can create this drop down list. Okay, first of all, click on the cell where you would like to apply the drop down list. I would like to add the drop down list here on this cell. I'm just going to click over here and go to the data tab. Just click on it, and under data, click on data validation. Just click on it, and here you can see data validation. Just click on it, and here you can see the validation pop-up window. And here under settings, you will see allow. Just click on this arrow and select list. Okay, and here goes the source. Where from do you want to show the drop down list? I mean, where goes your data? Okay, just click over here, and here I have got the data on the another sheet. Just click on it, and here you can see the data of the drop down. Okay, so I'm just going to select all the data just from the fried chicken to ice cream, and here goes the highlight, and here you can see everything is selected. Now just simply hit OK. Now here goes the drop down list. I'm just going to click over here on this arrow, and here you can see fried chicken, hamburger, french fry. So what is your favorite food? French fries. Okay, you can anytime change the value, hot dogs. But if anyone try to write anything here, say for example hot, I'm going to hit enter, and it shows the error window. That means nobody can enter value except this drop down data. And here goes a short question. Are you a vegetarian? I'm just going to enter yes or no. So again, click on this cell and go to data, and here go to data validation. Just click on it, and here you can see data validation. This time under setting, click on list, and I'm going to enter two values. The first value is yes, and enter comma and type no. Okay, this time I did not select data from the sheet. I just written the data because it is short. Okay, now click OK, and I'm going to click here, and here you can see the value yes or no. So I'm going to select yes. Okay, now come over to the right side. Here I have got the members, and for each member I will have to show the drop down list of the states. So what I can do, I'm just going to select all the cells, all the 10 cells, and go to data, and from under data go to data validation, click data validation, and this time under settings click list. Okay, and click over here on the source field, and come over here in this sheet where I have written the list of the states. Just click over here, and I'm going to select all the lists, and here they are, and I'm going to click OK, and I'm bring here on the home page. I'm bring here on this page, and now you can see drop down list for each items. Just click over here. I'm just going to add the state name for each member. Okay, I'm just going to drag it to bring all the values. So in this simple way, you can easily add drop down list in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video training. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check all of my videos here. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in a new video.